Did you know that the letter L appears bold in PDF documents viewed in Adobe Acrobat/Reader?
Really? That seems odd. Why would that happen?
It's a rendering bug specific to Adobe Acrobat/Reader. When Enhance Thin Lines is enabled in the preferences, Adobe applies a thicker stroke to certain elements, like the letter L, making it look bold on screen.
But that's confusing for clients reviewing print documents for approval. How can we fix it?
You can easily fix the display issue by turning off Enhance Thin Lines in the Adobe preferences. This will eliminate the bold appearance of the letter L on your screen.
Okay, but why does it only happen with the letter L?
It's because of how Adobe Acrobat/Reader enhances thin lines on screen. It's not just the L, but it's the most noticeable because of its shape.
Interesting. So, how can we prevent confusion for clients?
It's important to explain that this is a display issue in Adobe Acrobat/Reader and does not affect the final printed document. Providing a printed proof or showing the document in another viewer can help reassure your clients.
Got it! Thanks for explaining all of this. It's good to know.
No problem. It's always good to stay informed about these things.